In this video, we will talking about how to create new VM, how to install Sangfor VM tools and common VM operation, how to create new VM. Click on Compute. Click New. Click Create New Virtual Machine. Enter name. Select Group. You can check the option Migrate VM to another node if the node fails. Select a VM data store. Select Storage Policy. You can click the green Add button to add storage policy. Select this VM run on which node. Select which type of OS to install. You can check this option to guarantee resources for VM operation and recovery. Here have 3 types of standard you can choose for this VM. Select it based on your requirement. You also can manually enter amount of core, memory, hard disk capacity and etc. The default BIOS port time is 0 seconds. You can change it under other hardwares. Click Add Hardware to add an extra hardware. Click Advanced. You can set boot order, life cycle, hostname, and others based on your requirement. In this video, I will keep it as default. After that, click OK. You can check the VM status under the group you selected before. After done creating, click Install OS to install the operating system. Select the ISO images file. You can upload ISO images file from your PC by clicking Upload. Click Install now. Click Next. Click Install now. Enter product key or click Skip. Check license terms and conditions. After that, click Next. Select Custom Install Windows Only. Select Drive. After that, click Next. Waiting installation process done. You had done OS installation. How to install Sangfor VM tool. Click Install now at the top. It should pop out a CD drive. Click on the CD drive. Select Run VM Optimization Tools. Click Yes. Installing VM Optimization Tools. Please wait. System reboot is required. Click Restart now to finish the installation. You had done install Sangfor VM tool. How to know the VM tool had been installed? Go to the VM you created before. Click More and Summary. You can see the VM tools is running, which mean VM tool was installed. Next I will talk about common VM operation in aCloud. First, clone VM. There have 2 paths to clone VM. Path 1, compute, new, clone. Path 2, compute. Select corresponding virtual machine icon which you want to clone, more, clone. Second, Import and export VM. Clone VM path 1. Click Compute. Click New. Select Clone VM. Select VM. Click Next. Enter name. Enter the amount of VM you wish to clone. Select group. Select clone type. You can select power on virtual machine at creation and migrate to another node if the node fails. Select data store. Select storage policy. Select which node to run this VM. You can enable the network connection. After that, select NIC. Click OK after done setting. Finished clone VM. You can power on cloned VM by clicking Power On button. Clone VM path 2. Click Compute. Select a VM you want to clone. Click More. Select Clone. Enter these information like previous. Click OK after done the setting. Finished clone VM. You can power on cloned VM by clicking Power On button. Export VM. Click Compute. Select the VM you want to export. You need to power off the VM before export. After done power off VM, click on More. Select Export. Select the file format. The export process started. After export process done, it will automatically download the VM on browser. Import VM. Click Compute. Click New. Select Import Virtual Machine. Select file type you want to import. Select VM image files. Select group. Select data store and storage policy. Select this VM run on which node. After that, click Import. The import VM process started. Finished import VM. You can power on imported VM by clicking Power On button. In the end of this tutorial we had learned on how to create new VM, how to install Sangfor VM tools, common VM operation,